This is Praises by Bethel. It's one of my favorite songs. It has two of the coolest guitar parts that you'll hear, and makes it challenging, of course, right? Because we have to try to find a way to combine the two into one really effective guitar part, and this is the way that I feel like I've been able to do that. Decided to do this one again. If you watch the video that I uploaded right before this one, had the great opportunity to play this song with a buddy of mine. It was the first time we had ever played guitar together. We've been talking for a couple years and got a chance to visit. I went down to Indiana to visit him, and we played this song together, and it kind of reignited my fire for it, and just wanted to have some fun with it. So hopefully you're able to pick some stuff up from this. If you have a chance to dig into the parts, they're so fun, and there's great use of effects. For me, there's a bunch of reverb all over this stuff, but it's also a great learning song to teach you how there can be a lot of reverb, but your tone can still be articulate. There's a way to do that, and they've really accomplished it really all over this whole album, the Have It All album, but in particular this song. But I could go on forever and ever about this song. I just think there's so many good things about it, including the words. Never want to forget about the words. They exalt Jesus, and there's just a lot of proclamation and declaration going on in this song about how great the Lord is, and I just love it. So here is Praises by Bethel in the original key of B. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Repeat bridge. refrain.